allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Hello everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up your Instagram and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now all you gotta do is tap on the profile icon in the bottom right and open up your profile page. Now from here, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open up the menu. And then after opening up the menu, you need to scroll down and look for options how others can interact with you, under which you will be finding messages and story replies. You need to locate that option and tap on it. After tapping on it, we have this very first option that says how people can reach you with message request. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, we have this your followers on Instagram and others on Instagram. All you gotta do is, since we are looking for everyone, we can tap on others on Instagram. And if this don't receive request is selected, you need to select the first option, which is message request, and update your settings. That's it. You may also follow the same process for your followers as well, and it will directly do it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.